Kirete thiku ya Keri kuria marathii Nambere Thukuruini wa University wa Embu hamwe na Thukuru wa Muthingi wa Kangaru Kaunti ya Embu. Muikariri gite sector-ini iyo James Indibundi nĩaugĩte atĩ ministry ya ugitĩri wa thĩinĩ nĩgacĩrithĩtio na njĩra nene kumana na ũhagũku wa ugitĩri ũrĩa ũkoretwo kuo icigo itiganĩte gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ.
The State Department for Interior has deployed adequate security. Every village that the children are staying in is manned. Every hotel that our teachers are staying in are secured by the national security, and we are quite happy with the work that is going on.
Nimanyitaniire Hamwe hari Uhandi wa Miti Makiria ma Ngiri Mirongo Iiri rĩrĩa marathii Nambere na Gukenerera Monania ma Thenema Mwena Ucio. Oho nĩaugĩte mũbango ũcio nĩ ũgũteithĩrĩria arutwo kĩmathomo hamwe na gũkũria taranda ciao.
As for this particular exercise of tree planting, this one that has been going on, we have had several schools being represented here. We have had Westland School from Nairobi. We have had the Visual from Nairobi. We've had Open Arms from Eldoret, Busy Brains from Kakamega, and of course the St. Anthony School for the Deaf from Webuye.
Ona gũkĩrĩ ũguo Gĩcere ũrĩa nĩ mũrutwo kuma Thukuruini wa Muthingi wa Kakamega nĩakenereire kuonania nĩakinyĩte gĩkĩro kĩa gĩbũrũri gĩa mathako ma Ngerekano na kũrĩa augĩte akwĩrutanĩria nginya ahotane kuonania ndahotire gũkinya gĩkĩro kĩu mwaka mũhetũku.
As I have come here, I've come with many people. When I was in the stage, I felt like I was afraid and nervous. But then when I saw my mom and my big sister, I felt like the nervous was over. I had courage. As I presented this presentation that I presented was a solo dance, and it was called the violin. And also, you might be asking yourself if this is my first time or this is my 5th time that I've been in the nationals, and I hope I'll go to the status just like my sister. Thank you.